Mûthaki wĩ gatũ wa Central Cinema ũrĩa ũĩkaine mũno ta Nyamboke kana Lea Kim kũrĩa makĩmũĩ na rĩtwa rĩake hasa is sadly unwell. Lea Kim nĩatũnganie na Mûtino wa Ngari kũndũ nginya now she's currently bedridden. Nĩathakĩte mĩthako mĩingĩ mũno ya Central Cinema. She has been featured in so many Central Cinema movies. Na ona nginya mbica ici nĩ cia kuma mĩthako ĩmwe ĩrĩa anakorwo agĩthaka ya Central Cinema. No rĩu she's currently bedridden. Na rĩu ndwari yake nĩ mũhinyĩrĩirie mũno o hamwe na family yake, and they are currently seeking for well wishers, mafans ake ona nginya arata makorwo makĩmũteithia for her medical bill. Otogo gũkwĩrĩte she was involved in a car accident and is currently bedridden, na no aragĩthiĩ na mbere kwamũkĩra ũrigiti, and is appealing to everyone to help her raise medical funds. Na ona comedian Dada Sarah no arakorirwo akiumbũra ndeto ici atĩ Nyamboke is currently bedridden and unwell, akiuga mũkundania wa tũmaĩ onake no agakundio. Kujeni to support Nyamboke wa Central Cinema. More details are on the poster. Thank you as you support a friend Lea Kim Nyamboke. And then he shared this poster here ya a medical appeal ĩrĩa rauga medical funds appeal for Lea Kim Nyamboke. You are cordially invited to a fund drive in aid of raising funds to settle her medical bills, which will be held on Thursday 29th September 2022 at Blue Springs Hotel from 2 p.m. Lea Kim was involved in a car accident and is currently bedridden. Her condition has costed the family a heavy burden due to her medication and other needs. And here is her M-Pesa number, ĩrĩa kũruta rĩtwa Lea Kimashu. Your presence, prayers and financial support will be highly appreciated. Fundraising yake in fact on a new Monday, Thursday 29th September, Blue Springs Hotel kuma thaa 8 na tukamwendithĩria kũhona kwa naihenya, quickest recovery Nyamboke wa Central Cinema. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.